Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to work on identifying the domain of rational functions so you can figure out exactly which x values are allowed and which ones have to be excluded. Take a deep breath, we're going to slow this down, break it apart step by step, and make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it. Alright, so we have three rational functions here. Before we start these examples, I want to ask you a question. So let's say that we have 0 divided by 5. If you plug that in a calculator, and I'll let you try it in a second here, but if you were to plug that in a calculator, what do you think it would give you? If you answered 0, you'd be correct. Now let's flip that relationship. Let's say we were to do 3 divided by 0. Go ahead and put that in a calculator. See what it gives you. And so most calculators are going to say some variation of error, cannot compute, domain issue. But basically, this is not possible. This is undefined. It is not possible to divide by 0. And so when we look at our rational functions, all of these denominators here are variable expressions, meaning that we don't really know exactly what those green parentheses are worth. If I set x equal to one number, that'll make them worth something. And if I set x equal to a different number, that'll make them worth something different. So they're variable expressions. They could vary depending on what you assign to x. And so we need to check what it cannot be. It can't be anything that's going to make them be 0. I actually want to start with b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that denominator and I'm going to think of it algebraically. And I want to think of it as x minus 5 cannot be 0. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and just solve to see, I know that the expression x minus 5 can't be 0, but what x value is not able to be plugged into that specific denominator? So I'll kind of solve the equation that I ended up with here. I'll add 5 to both sides, and I end up getting that x cannot be positive 5. All right, so we are going to exclude positive 5 from the domain of this function. Let's go ahead, we'll go back and do that first one now. So this first one, not really any work to it. We're just going to go ahead and off the bat say that x can't be 0. And then for the last one, same kind of idea. So this denominator, the denominator is 4x minus 1, cannot be 0. And then I want to go ahead and solve that to see exactly what x value is going to be a problem. So I'll add 1 to both sides. I get 4x can't be 1. And then I'll divide both sides by 4. And so over here, I end up getting that x cannot be 1 over 4. So we're going to go ahead and exclude that from our domain. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly. My goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.